What's up guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can promote affiliate marketing products with YouTube Shorts, and I'm going to show you the two strategies that I'm using right now to promote my affiliate marketing products. So check this out. So first of all guys, you need to choose a product. So there are three huge niches: the wealth niche, the health, and the relationship niche. So I promote products, guys, in the wealth niche. They make money online, specifically high ticket products. And lastly, I promote AI training. So this is my affiliate dashboard, and as you can see in the screen, I have here some information. So for example, how much this company has paid me, the number of clicks, my referrals, my customers, and if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links. If someone buys from any of these links, guys, I can make a commission by promoting this product. Now let me show you quickly. So this is basically the products that I promote, and it's important to promote products that you believe and you know that are going to help people. For example, this one, Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. So this is a high ticket product that teaches people how to create a high ticket affiliate marketing business, all different kind of traffic strategies, how to create your sales funnel, and how to do email marketing and all that stuff. But the product that I'm promoting right now, guys, it's this one, AI Freedom Launchpad. I'm going to click here so you can see how does it look like. So basically this course teaches people how to start with AI. For example, here we have 4 phases. The phase number 1 is the beginner intro to AI. The phase number 2, create the perfect AI clone. Phase number 3, AI content creation, and phase number 4, AI video creation. So having your product, guys, first of all, you need to choose a niche. Once you have chosen your niche, you need to choose a product, and once you have your affiliate link, it's important to create content, guys. Now, before doing the content creation part, you need to know what people are searching on YouTube, because you can create, for example, a video, put a title, and the problem with that is that if you don't know that people are searching those keywords, you are not going to drive traffic to your offer, to your affiliate link. That is why it's important to use this tool first. I use Google Trends. For example, let's say that I want to create content for affiliate marketing, and what I usually do is that in the search term I write my keyword, which is affiliate marketing, and then I choose YouTube search. I can choose as well web search, but for this video I'm going to use YouTube search. And if I scroll down, you are going to see here these related queries. Now, so check this out. This keyword, affiliate marketing tips, has a breakup. So what does that mean? It means that if I create a YouTube short talking about affiliate marketing tips, and if I optimize well that YouTube short, guys, I'm going to have high probability that YouTube short is going to have organic traffic, and the other kind of traffic is that it could be viral because people are searching for this keyword. So that is why it's important, guys, to do the keyword research before creating content. So having said that, so let's say that I'm going to use this one, affiliate marketing tips. So what I usually do is that I use this software. The name is vidIQ. So my keyword is affiliate marketing tips. I'm going to go to discover and then keywords, affiliate marketing tips. I'm going to click here to see the related keywords, and you can see that affiliate marketing tips, affiliate marketing domain name tips, and there are many keywords, guys, here that I probably can utilize, but affiliate marketing tips for beginners USA, YouTube, Amazon affiliate marketing tips. So as you can see, guys, there are here in this software, there are many keywords that I can utilize to create content. For example, I can create a video about affiliate marketing tips. I can create another video, another YouTube short, being ads affiliate marketing tips. Now let's do a quick research. Affiliate marketing tips. I'm going to go here and I'm going to write affiliate marketing tips to see if someone has created a video with this keyword. So check this out. Top 10 affiliate marketing tips for beginners. 20K. The best way to make money with affiliate marketing. The best affiliate marketing strategy. 7 affiliate marketing strategies. So as you can see, guys, in the first video doesn't start with that keyword, affiliate marketing tips. Top 10 affiliate marketing tips for beginner. So that means that I could create a video with that keyword, guys, affiliate marketing tips. For example, top 10 affiliate marketing tips for beginners. So if I create a YouTube short, guys, possibly I could rank here, because as you can see in these results, we don't have like too many videos with that title, guys. So here we have affiliate marketing tips for your blog. So we found like 2 videos. So that could be, this could be a keyword that we can use, guys, to create content. So having the keyword right now, affiliate marketing tips, the next part is to create the content. For example, you can go to Chatgpt and start a new chat, and right here, so give me a prompt. So this is in case that if you don't want to like appear in the video, and you are going to use, like, for example, VO3 to create the YouTube short. So give me a prompt for VO3 for this title, affiliate marketing tips, and we have three scenes. Create a fast-paced cinematic short title, affiliate marketing tips, a glowing laptop open, affiliate commissions rising. So, and what we can do here with this prompt, guys, is we can copy this and paste it here in Flow, and we can create, guys, we can create a YouTube short using VO3. So it's important for you to know that if you go to settings, I usually use one output. So that means that for the prompt that I have here, I'm going to have only one video, and then the aspect ratio, if you want to create a short, it's better to use this one, portrait 9:16. And then the model, VO. So you can choose here one model that has music. For example, VO2 quality, or the latest one, VO3.1 quality. Okay, guys. Now, so the next step is to create the YouTube short, and having that YouTube short, you need to upload it into your YouTube channel. Now, let me go quickly to my YouTube channel, because I want to show you how you are going to drive traffic to your affiliate links, guys. And there are 2 strategies that you can use to drive traffic. So after uploading your YouTube short, you are going to have in your channel, in the short tab, you're going to have all these. Let me show you. You're going to have all these videos, and you need to create lots of videos, guys. So you can see I have here many videos in my short tabs, and once you have these videos, it's important to put your affiliate link here in the bio. So basically the strategy is you upload the YouTube short, and you need to put here your affiliate link, and when people go to your YouTube channel, they are going to click here your link, which is basically the product that you are promoting, and if someone buys through your link, you are going to get a commission. So this is the first strategy. And the second strategy is basically, instead of creating a YouTube short, you can create a long form video. For example, you can use VO3, create the long form video, for example, at least a video of 3 minutes or 4 minutes, and then you can utilize a software like this one, Opus Clip, and you can see I have here all so these are my videos, and basically I just copy and paste my YouTube link here and click here where it says get clips in one clip. And Opus Clip, what it's going to do is that it's going to transform the long form videos into short form. So check this out. I have here this YouTube, I have these short form videos, and I can download this and upload it into my YouTube channel. So, and why is it important to create first of all the long form videos? Because I'm going to click on this one to show you that you can pin a long form video in a YouTube short. So check this out. So this is one of my YouTube shorts, and here it's going to appear the pinned video. Well, basically the strategy, guys, is that you can drive traffic to your long form videos through the YouTube short. So now it's like loading, so let me refresh this. Okay, as you can see in the screen, guys, here, so this is my long form video, and when people find this YouTube short, and if they want, for example, more information, they can click here where it says high ticket affiliate marketing tips for beginners, and I'm going to click here, and you can see that it's going to open the long form video, and then my affiliate link is right here in the description. And so basically, guys, those are the two ways that you can utilize to drive traffic to your YouTube shorts. Because so in the past we can put our affiliate link in the first comment, but now that link it's not clickable anymore. So that is why it's important to do it this way if you want to promote products using YouTube shorts. Now, if you have questions, guys, let me know in the comments, and talk to you soon.